Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to download to read offline on Webtoon. Want to read Webtoon comics offline without internet? Here's how to download episode quickly. The first on your Wi-Fi. The first you need to download your Webtoon app on your phone. Or first step is open the app. Open the Webtoon app, and here you will see the many comics or stories. Then choose the which you stories want to read. Then the another step is tap the download button next to the episode. Tap the download icon. The episode will start downloading on your device. For the download, and top corner you will see the three dots. Then click on dots. Then here you will see the download option and download it. Click on download. For the download, select the all episodes. Then the episode will start downloading to your device. Then the another step is find your downloads. For the downloads after downloading, go to your profile, bottom of the corner, then click on my profile. Then here you will see the top right. Here you will see the top on the top many options like listen, subscribe, download or unlocked. Then click on downloads, and here you will see the downloads. Now you can open those downloaded episodes anytime you want without Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that's how you read to offline episodes for on the Webtoon app. That's it, and thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.